Here are some suggestions to prepare you for distribution. Prior to distribution, there are materials that you need to get in order. First, you need to identify which students are able to check out based on submitted user agreements. You will need to print 2 sets of labels. Each label should contain the student's name and barcode. One label is for the computer and one is for the charger. You want to make sure that you have e-tags for the chargers as well as identification cards for each student, and optional, you can use zip ties to keep the identification cards in the bags. You will need to dismantle the carts so that cables are easily accessible. You will also need to make sure that each charger has its own e-tag attached. Do your best to make sure that the computers stay charging. You want students to have a charged device for checkout. Here is a sample flow for middle school checkout at Pershing Middle School. Students will line up in alphabetical order if they have turned in their user agreement. At the first station, an adult attaches the label with the name and barcode to the back of the computer. At the next station, an adult attaches the second label to the computer charger. Students then proceed to scan and check out their charger and device. Once the device is checked out, some schools opt to use zip ties to make sure that the identification cards stay in the bags. The best advice is to just have fun. Please contact your EdTech resource teacher if you have any questions.